Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to check RAM frequency in Windows 10 so you can quickly see how fast your memory is running. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Task Manager is a built-in Windows tool that shows how your system is using hardware like the CPU, memory and disk, and this shortcut is the fastest way to open it. Step 2. Click on the Performance tab at the top of Task Manager. The Performance tab displays real-time data about your computer's hardware, which helps you monitor how different components are working. Step 3, from the left-hand side, select Memory. This section focuses specifically on your RAM and shows details like usage, available memory, and overall performance. Step 4, look on the right side of the window for speed. The speed value shows your RAM frequency, such as 3200 MHz, which tells you how fast your memory is operating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.